Okay, so I imagine these come off, yeah?
Yeah, you just do like this.
Very easy.
Yeah. And if you hold the finger like that and put it on.
Put it on the side here?
Yeah. So. Yeah. Like that. So.
I like that.
It's so easy to.
And what is this?
That is a wheel stop.
Can it move from side to side?
Side to side.
Similar as that?
Similar as that. If you want to approach the bench on that way, you move this to the front over here.
Okay.
And you have a wheel stop. But if you want to do totally drive over, you can do that we have on the other side. You can drive it over.
Right
so you
over.
can have a bay on that side and have a work bay on that side and drive it over.
Either way, it doesn't matter.
Yes, it's very versatile.
Okay. I love the fact that it's stronger now because I know a lot of the OEMs are requiring a higher weight capability, right? Our old one was
9.2 thousand pounds.
1,000 pounds? And this does what?
10,000 pounds.
Okay, so that's
And with all the electrical cars, lift on wheels, you never need to be in this area with arms lifting.
Yeah, you don't have to pull the things off anymore.
No.
No, that's awesome.
Start working.
Those are all really,
and if
really
you just want to do a small job, change your door or change your rocker panel, everything is free here in now. Free space.
So like your rockers, I know a lot of times you have to get on the ground, you have to roll around and things of that nature. You just put it up here and just get right access to the rockers.
And
you get right under here and work. It's very good.
Yes.
But I like the fact that they're pretty wide. They're wide enough to where most cars are going to be able to go on there, right?
88 inches wide.
Okay.
So in the widest position.
Okay.
And they are adjustable in width also.
Now, from what I understand, you were the designer of this, yeah?
We was a team.
It was a team.
That's who designed
it. Yeah, very good. Like always, guys, car liner is top notch. There's nothing out there that touches it. That's all I use at the shop, and at our shop we focus on quality and making sure that we're doing the things correctly. So I would say thumbs up for car liner. So thank you, Richard.
Thank you, John.
Thank you for your time, man.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch.
Bye.